breaking up with me?
And Luke Wilson.
You are so gonna regret this.
Starring My Super Ex-Girlfriend. Coming up next on Oxygen.
I've been called a fat cow.
Pork chop.
Done to that.
Badass.
Stop it.
These women have decided it's time to get fit.
She's absolutely gorgeous.
Get closure.
There's one thing left to do.
Oh, yeah. And get revenge.
Oh my God, I think he just wet himself.
I am on top of the world right now.
My Big Fat Revenge premieres Tuesday, September 3rd at 9, 8 Central.